Breaking news: Kangara adoption. The person that gave us this business is kidnappers reveal. It's only in Nigeria where you have government officials carrying out atrocities and pretending like all is well. They will go about with the people as well, mixing with the crowd as if they have not done anything. And do you know the new tactics now? So since they know that Zamfara governor, who is always making the negotiation with the with a bandit, eyes are beginning to come on him. They picked up somebody else to begin to do the dirty job. They've left the Zamfara governor to the clergy now, the Islamic clergy, Gamun, who is now doing that, who is now doing the negotiation. I don't understand where it is in Nigerian constitution that Nigerians should be negotiating with terrorists or bandits, whatever it is. In America, it's a normal former slogan. We don't negotiate with this set of people. Anyway, my people, let's continue and get all the details. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. Kangare adoption. The person that gave us this job, this business is kidnappers reveal. The adopters of the 27 students and 15 workers of the government science college Kangara, Niger State, has revealed that the person who gave them the business is within the residents of the community. Somebody told them to come and adopt the children of the school, told them the layout, gave them the plan, told them the how they will go about it, what time they will come, when the gates will be open, what they will do. Nigerians, I tell you, the organic smoke, there is no smoke without fire. There is a reason why things are the way they are. There is a reason why Nigeria it is what it is today because of this set of people. My people, don't be deceived. There is more to it than beneath the eyes. The bandit stated this while warning a negotiator against rescue move by the vigilante and other security agencies in the state. In an audio record reportedly made available to the Punch, the bandit vowed to starve the adoptees to death if the ransom they demand is not paid on time. The audio recording reportedly made available to Punch, the bandit vowed to starve the adoptees to death if the ransom they have demanded is not paid and on time. The leader of the bandit, who spoke in Hausa language in the reported audio, said he was aware that many security agencies and vehicles has been dispatched to Kangara. He vowed that they will not succeed in the mission, even if it is 100, noting that they have information within the residents telling them what to do, who is coming and what is happening. That's why Nigeria, see, we cannot tackle insecurity because government, presidency, presidency comprised of all of them. It's part of the insecurity. It's part of the B-boys. It's part of the headsmen. It's part of the bandits. That's why we cannot combat it unless God intervene miraculously. Do you understand me? Yes. So let's continue. I will take that line again. You need to understand it. A leader of the bandit who spoke in Hausa language in the reported audio said he was aware that many security agencies and vehicles has been dispatched to the Kangara. He vowed that they will not succeed in the mission, even if there are hundreds, saying that they have information within the residents who tell them what is going on, all the plans being made. He said, I don't know what you people are doing. I can tell you how many security vehicles are in Kangara as we speak, who is coming and where they are coming from. It is with the help of the people of the city and the intruders that overrun the city. We don't just come here. Don't you know that the person who gave us this business is among you? He is there with you. Wherever you go, he's watching you. If you want to do this deal, go ahead. From God we will come and from him we will go. We will return. So we are ready to die. He added, even if you put yourself together, the entire security forces of Nigeria and Kangara, I have eyes all over Kangara. Whichever step you take in any direction, I swear, I know. The people you are saying and working with that they should not pay us. They want the money. If you pay us, we will use the money to buy more weapons. They know, and we will give them their courts. With this money, we did buy our weapon, and with it, we'll buy more sophisticated weapon. And if if care is not taken, if you just send security agencies, we will start killing the children one after the other. If I want Kankara to be in peace, if I want Kankara to be in peace, it will be in peace. If not, there will be no peace. It will go in peace if they work with us. If it will go the other way if they don't work with us. I have children. I have instructed them that if they don't behave themselves, what happened to the Kangara will also happen to them. We know what is happening in the city. The bandit leader mocked Nigerian government and the governor, saying that they should not pay ransom. Don't pay. You will see what will happen. More is coming. I swear to God, he boasted. So you see that the people are within the territory. The people are within the ranks. So Nigerians, see, I hate when some people are telling me that, there is a blah, blah, blah. See, the person who gave them the job is within them. This is not my word, so. This is an audio they gave this audio to Punch, telling Punch, come and hear. We're sending this message to Punch saying, listen, we are not just doing this work. We did not just come here. People among you gave us the information. Government officials are part of us. Did you hear that? They are the ones telling us what to do. They also need the money. They are the ones helping us with our equipment. We need to buy some new equipment. And that is why we decided, and they gave the go ahead. They told us what to do, what school to operate on. So don't think that these things are just happening. And guess what? I do not, the bandits, they are beginning to reveal secrets. We've presented you with a news. Please, if you have not listened to that news, go to Apple Live Media, check on that videos and see for yourself. Where they said that they need to see Buhari, that Buhari has breached the terms of contract, that this was not what they discussed. He has abandoned them, and they are on a revenge mission because what he told them, he did not keep to the part of the bargain. They want to see him live. They don't want him to send any negotiation, no negotiator, nobody. They want to see Buhari himself. Can you see that something is going on? Something is seriously not right with our government. Nigerians, wake up. Oh. They wake up. People are using all tactics to get into government and to continue this. What is happening today in Nigeria is a clear indication that the insecurity we are all talking about is part of, is those in among us are part of the people. Okay, they are part of the people. That's why things are the way they are. Leave us a comment. God bless you. Bye for now.